I thought it stopped. The natural border between Serbia and Bosnia. I'm on Bosnian side. That is Serbia. And this river, Drina enters Sava. Sava enters Danube. I knew it's gonna be cold. What I can say about Bosnia and Serbia, well, 20 years after the war, people need to learn communicating, working and living together. They try to do something, but I know the system from inside. I'm living in this territory like 7 years. What people are doing is not what they should do. In the big cities, it's not that obvious. Mobile operators in Bosnia suck, and the reason, they really don't care about their customers. Even if there are 2 mobile operators, majority, they have monopoly. The Bosnian guys will use BH Telecom, the Serbian guys will use MTEL. And there was a time, by knowing a person's number, well, I get a person number, I can say if he's Bosnian or Serb, and I know which holidays to call in, like say, happy that holiday. The same with restaurant. In small places, it's like so obvious. If restaurant owner is Serbian guy, Serbs will go there. Muslims will not go there. If restaurant owner is Muslim guy, Serbs will not go there. Only Muslims will go there. That is not something good, because this creates division in society, and people, by symbols they use, doesn't matter, even if they can sit together, but they will hate each other. And that is the huge problem, and I think the country will not get any development if they will not solve this problem. And the war topic in Bosnia doesn't matter. Any topic you talk, any topic, it's fashion, food, fitness, travel, doesn't matter. After 20 minutes, you will realize that you are discussing the war. Well, war ended 20 years ago, and people need to understand that it's over. New generation, they are not guilty on what's happening there. Yeah, war criminals should be arrested, should be judged, but people who have nothing to do with that, who were victims on both sides, civilians were always victims, and civilians need to understand. I'm not an expert, but what I think Bosnia needs tolerance. Right now there is big problems here, because this is the country of all of these people. Doesn't matter they are Muslim, Orthodox, Catholic, doesn't matter. This is the country of all of those people, and all of these people need to learn how to live together. Unfortunately, this doesn't happen. During the time I lived in this country, I loved it. I loved the people. And as a stranger, as a foreigner, I can say that there is no difference between people in all this region. Serbs, Bosnians, Croats, Montenegrins. Well, I don't see any difference. Plus, ethnically, these are the same people. The only difference is religion. One family where one brother is Muslim, one brother is Orthodox, one brother is Catholic, and one brother is lazy. They are the same blood, and that is beautiful. I really hope to see when in Bosnia, in Serbia, in Montenegro, in Croatia, people will stop talking about the war, will try to fix the consequences of the war, and try to live together, to work together, and develop the region together.